Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name's Hayden Connor. I'm from Katy, Texas, and I'm a University of Texas football commit. Now, I'm kind of new to this vlogging thing, but I assure you that not all of these videos will be about football. Sure, there'll be a couple here and there, but I'm mainly going to be talking about topics that I'm really passionate about, like space, UFOs, movies, gaming, and the occasional cooking video. If any of these topics interest you, you can click right here to subscribe to my channel. If you have any cool ideas or topics that you want me to talk about, you can comment down below and I'll for sure check those out. And if you want to get to know me a little bit better, you can click right here and watch my commitment video where I merged my love for Marvel and the sport I was born to play to commit to the University of Texas, where I plan on studying aerospace engineering. Hence the space shirt. Thank you for watching the video. I'm really looking forward to putting out content that I care a lot about, and I hope that I can do it in a way that interests you all. I can't wait to see your feedback and your new ideas for topics, and I hope this doesn't offend anybody, but hook 'em.